Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to RJS online class, Rangpur. I think all of you are well, and I am also well. I am Fahima Khatun, Assistant Teacher English, Rangpur Jila School, Rangpur. Today, I am going to discuss from English second paper, omission of article. This class is especially organized for class 6 to 10. The students, have a look on the picture. What do you see? This is my and orange. Is the sentence correct? You will say, no, this is not a correct sentence. What should it be? This is my orange. Here an is not needed. Another sentence. Fahim is a student. He goes to the school regularly. Here this is not needed. Dear students, you have a question on your question paper where you can see you have to use article where necessary, but you have to put a cross mark where an article is not needed. It's very difficult for you, isn't it? You have to use article. It's sometimes very easy, but you have in a great problem when you have to face put a cross mark. You have to face a cross mark where an article is not needed. So, today, what may be our today's lesson? Can you guess? Yes, omission of article. Our today's lesson is omission of article. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to apply the omission of article, why article is omitted, the use of cross. Please look at the picture. Lions are wild animals. Which lions? All lions in general. Article is omitted before something plural in general. A car, my car. He bought a car, he bought my car. Not he bought my a car. Here a is omitted because positive. My, here my is a positive pronoun. So we can say article is omitted when positive pronouns are used before nouns. Look at the picture very carefully and try to understand. Dear learners, have a look on the picture. This is Mr. Jaman. Mr. Jaman is a proper noun. So, no article is used before a proper noun. Article is omitted here. Proper nouns are the words which name specific people, organizations, or places. Now, let's solve the problems. First, read the passage carefully and try where the articles are used and where not. In the first sentence, birds fly in the sky. But in the second sentence, you have to use the because there are some particular birds of Sundarban. Okay? In the second sentence, we have to use the. That means the birds of Sundarban look very nice. Rahim is a good boy. The boy goes to school regularly. Please check your answers. Mr. Rahman is a teacher. I like him very much. He likes to ride cars, but he only rides the car of my father. Clear? It's time to go another slide, dear students. I like to play basketball. When lunch is ready, please call me. Also, an article is not used before the names of meal and the names of games, sports. Meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. And games like cricket, basketball, tennis, etc. Article is not used here. Another activity for you. You may take it as your homework and you can take screenshot on your device. We are the students of Rangpur Jilla School. We live in hostel of our school. We take our lunch at 1:30 p.m. When it is 5 p.m., we play cricket in the school playground. We also play basketball, table tennis on Friday. At 9 p.m., we take our dinner. You have to complete the passage with article and have to put a cross mark. Look at the pictures. England, Asia, Lake Park, Dhaka. Also, an article is not used before the names of countries, cities, continents, parks. Have a look again. Here England, Asia, Lake Park, Dhaka. Article is not used before the names of countries, cities, continents, parks, etc. Dear students, follow the sentence very carefully. I went to England to enjoy the England tour. Here, England. Next, the England. Have you noticed the difference, my dear students? Yes. Here, England is a country, but England tour is not a country. So, the is used here. In the first England, article is omitted. So, England is a country, so article is omitted here. But in the second portion, England tour is not a country only. It's an event. So, the is used here. Understand? It's not a country, so the is used before England tour. Okay? Next. Fahad. Fahad goes to school. No article is mentioned here because Fahad is a proper noun and it's his regular duty. Do you know why article is not mentioned here? Because he is a student, it is his regular duty. But when it is not her regular duty, then article must be used. We will see it in our next slide. Fahad goes to school. Also, an article is not used before the names of school, hospital, prison, bed, home, when we refer to the purpose as regular duty. Okay? But notice the sentences. Why is article used here? Because Talib's mother went to the school to collect his report. Here, she is not a student. Talib's mother is not a student. It's not her regular duty. She is a visitor, isn't it? So, article the is allowed here. Talib's mother went to the school to collect his report. The school means particular school. Okay. Here are some questions for you. You may consult with your friends to answer those questions. So it is group work for you. What do you mean by plural in general? Why is article omitted before a person? Why is article not used before England? Why is article used before England tour? Yes, if you feel any problem, you may consult with your friends and answer those questions. You have to write down it in your khata and have to collect it. Now a homework for you. Fill in the gaps with article. Put a cross where article is not needed. Where an article is not needed. You can take a screenshot on your device and have to complete it correctly. Okay, my dear students, today we have discussed a number of rules on omission of article and its uses, and I have given you a homework for you. These are all for today. Take care, stay safe, stay at your home. Thank you very much. I wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.